While there are standard procedures that should be adhered to wherever you're operating any type of powered industrial truck, there are also basic procedures that should be followed for some trucks in specific environments as well. If you're working indoors with a truck that has an internal combustion engine, make sure there is plenty of ventilation to remove the truck's exhaust fumes from the area. You can improve airflow by turning on fans and opening doors and windows. In areas where the atmosphere can't be made safe, you'll need to use an electrically powered truck instead. Because industrial trucks can generate heat and sparks, they can also be dangerous to use around flammable and explosive materials. To combat this, some trucks have safety features added to the exhaust, fuel, and electrical systems that prevent them from igniting these substances. To help you determine which trucks are safe to use around various types of hazardous materials, OSHA has separated powered industrial trucks into 11 different categories. These designations are marked on a nameplate on each truck, along with information such as the truck's classification, weight, and lifting capacity. By referencing Table N1 in OSHA's Powered Industrial Truck Regulation, CFR 1910.178, you can see which trucks OSHA has approved for use around different types of materials. Talk to your supervisor if you have any questions. As you operate your truck, you should also check the work area itself for potential hazards, such as limited aisle clearance and the distance to overhead pipes and ductwork. You don't want to get stuck or cause any damage. If you have to temporarily leave your vehicle, put the engine in neutral and set the parking brake. If you are on a forklift, lower the forks to the ground. This will help to keep it from moving. Whenever you will be more than 25 feet away or your vehicle will be out of your sight, shut the power off and take the key with you. When parking, make sure that you don't block stairwells, exits, or fire hydrants. They may be needed in an emergency. Be sure to chock your wheels when you're on a slope. Runaway industrial trucks are dangerous. If someone needs to talk to you when you're operating an industrial truck, don't let them come too close to the vehicle. Ask them to stand off at least 3 feet. Explain to them that the extra distance will keep them safe if something unexpected happens with the truck.